So it says this is a shelf whose braces are at 30, 60, and 90 degrees. I'm going to sketch the reference triangle for 30, 60, 90. I'm also going to orient it the same way that this one is oriented, with the 30 here, which puts the 60 here and the right angle here. The reference triangle's measures are 1, square root of 3, and 2. So it's this component right here. Let me change the color. It's this part right here and this part right here that we need in order to find the perimeter of the brace. So if we set up a proportion, we can say 6, the long leg of our brace, is to the square root of 3, the long leg of our reference triangle, as I'm going to call this x and I'll call this y, as x is to 1. So you can say the square root of 3x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by the square root of 3. So we know that x is equal to 6 over the square root of 3. Get rid of our radical, so we have square root of 3, square root of 3. So now we know that x is equal to 6 times the square root of 3 over 3. This can cancel, which leaves us with 2 times the square root of 3 for x. So x is equal to 2 times the square root of 3. Now we still need to find y. As you will recall, when you have the short leg, the relationship of the short leg to the hypotenuse is that it's doubled. So if we know the short leg, we can double it for y, which means that y is going to equal 4 times the square root of 3. And now to find the perimeter, we just add all these components together, which gives us 6 plus 2 times the square root of 3 plus 4 times the square root of 3 leaves us with 6 plus 6 times the square root of 3, and that is going to be, it looks like it's in inches, and that should be your final answer.